Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is Nigeria chicken curry sauce. Yes, I have a lot of video where I've made this Nigeria chicken curry sauce in this channel, but today I came with a special and delicious way of making it. I'm sure you clicked the video to know how I came up with this catchy chicken curry sauce on my thumbnail. Yeah, let's dive right into the video. The recipes we have for this chicken curry sauce are chicken. Here I got a hard chicken. You can use any chicken of your choice, alright? There's no problem about that. In other of my recipes that I've made this recipe, I use soft and other type of chicken, so feel free to use any chicken of your choice. Next on our list are meat seasoning, curry powder, chicken seasoning, dry thyme powder, seasoning, salt, scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, onion, fresh tomato, potato, and lastly vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice, alright? Yeah, first thing first, let's combine all the recipes together. Please, for the benefit of those looking for measurements, I've measured this out and all the measurement will be at the description box below. Like this video if you have not done so already. Thank you. Next is to season the chicken with half of the seasoning I just mixed together, okay? And I'll be keeping half of it for the sauce. Massage the seasoning all over the chicken. Once that is done, cover with a plastic film and allow to marinate for at least 20 minutes. You can as well allow it to marinate overnight. There's no problem about that, but make sure you place it inside the fridge, okay? Subscribe to this channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like this video, share this video to families and friends, and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us as you keep watching. God bless you. The chicken is marinating, let's prep our veggies, and we are starting from potato. Just cut the potato any size you like. This potato is going to serve as a thickener. You can as well decide to use potato starch or any other flour of your choice as a thickener. There's no problem about that, but I just choose to use this potato today, okay? And I also have a chicken curry recipe where I have used potato starch as a thickener. Please feel free to check it out either in the description box below or my pinned comment. Please help me like this video if you have not done so already, okay? Just keep watching. Next is a cooking exercise. Place a pan on the heat and add a little vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, add the chopped onion and stir fry for about 1 minute or so. After that, add the chopped tomatoes and minced scotch bonnet pepper. You can as well rough blend them, there is no problem about that, and stir as well until well combined. Once that is well combined, cover and allow to cook for about 6 minutes as you keep watching. Six minutes later, Virtuous family, this is what we got. At least the tomato has cooked a bit. Now I will stir to avoid burnt, alright? After that, I will add the remaining seasoning from the marinated chicken. You know, I told you I'll be remaining the seasoning. I divided it into two, and this is the remaining one. I am stirring as you can see. After that, the next thing is to add our marinated chicken, and I will carefully drop that right inside the sauce, alright? Once that is done, stir a bit, not much, so that the seasoning used to marinate the chicken remain intact, okay? Yeah, Cover to cook until the chicken releases all the liquid from it, but don't go far, okay? Put your eyes on it. All right. Yeah, we are here again. You see all the stock or broth you are seeing in this chicken came out right from the chicken. All right, and now my kitchen is really booming good, and I love that. My next neighbor will be asking, what is this Nigerian woman cooking today? Oh my goodness. Next is to add the potato, and the potato will serve as a thickener. As I earlier said, you can as well use potato starch, cornstarch, or purpose flour, or even yogurt. There's no problem about that, but I just choose to use fresh potato today. Yeah, to this I will also add 1.5 cup of water, and I will stir and cover to cook until soft. All right, now let's check on the sauce and see how it's doing. As you can see, the sauce is doing well. Man, this sauce is really good for this cold weather. As you can see, the potato is really soft and the chicken tender as well. Never mind how light the sauce is right now. Once the heat is turned off, just give it 5 minutes and you will see how thick it will become. But if you want the thickness immediately, remove some of the potato, mash it and pour it back, and it will be thick. Okay, I've added my red bell pepper already, and I will stir very well to combine and give it about 3 to 4 minutes more to cook well. Yes, Virtuous family, let's check the sauce and see how it's doing after 4 minutes. As you can see, the sauce is doing well. Now let's check and balance the taste. To every recipe is balanced and the taste is absolutely delicious. You know, I like this part, right? On this junction, Virtuous family, our Nigerian chicken curry sauce is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. You can pair this sauce with white rice, yam, or even plantain, but for me, I'm going to use the potato I use as a thickener to eat the sauce. Alright, try this recipe and give us your feedback on all our social media handle as usual. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as I enjoy bringing it at your doorstep. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video, share the video to family and friends, and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.